Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Okay. I don't like this guy.
Jesus!
Holy sh!
Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
Don't hit it.
See what's her problem?
No,
Stupid,
stop.
dumb. You're so dumb.
Montreal, just keep going. I mean, what the I don't want her to hit our car. What the hell?
You shouldn't get her ass out the way.
You know how people are? Jeez. Love me. Take exit 4B.
And cut
over
in
to
the
the right.
Wait, are you serious?
Yes.
Yeah, no. Gotta be you. No. What? Are you serious? Are you serious? Look at this. Double this.
Are you?
I want somebody to, but I'll do the job if I'm needed.
Holy crap. What the fuck?
Oh shit! Oh shit! What the
Yeah. Then there's Michelle Malone. The definition of Atlanta rock sound southern. Rock sound, southern blues touched, guitar driven, and all about the song.
She's touched.
A little touched. Poor Michelle's a little.
We're celebrating my grandma's birthday when I get there on Sunday.
Slow down, Ryan. Slow down. I bet that car crashed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right in the center.
I'm
there.
trying to figure out where to
Right.
go, okay?
Put your hazard back.
I'm not here.
Someone hits you.
Oh, there's glass, I think, or something.
What are you doing?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.